Greetings everyone, welcome to Asia L Artisan Body Care. I hope your June is off to a fantastic start. For this video, I'm going to be lather testing a few of my Luxe Edition soaps. They contain pure shea butter and organic argan oil. Without any further delay, let's get into what you came here for. The first lather test will be for Love Notes, which is a lovely type scent. For every lather test I perform, I first lather my soap in my hand, rinse my hands clean, and then I lather it in a mesh sponge or bath poof, whichever you prefer. And then in between each soap, I rinse the sponge clean to make sure there's no additional lather, so that the lather test is fair and each soap gets a chance to perform to its best ability. So this here is the, like I said, it's the Love Notes, and it's a lovely type scent. And I will put a link in the description box to the making of all of the soaps that are in this lather test video. Next, I will lather test Tigerlily. It is a beautiful floral scent that is suitable for both men and women. The lather produced from the Luxe Edition soap is soft and smooth and clean rinsing. Last but not least, I'm going to lather test Hot Pink Diamonds. This soap has a great combination of effervescence, citrus, and sweetness. All of my soaps are specially formulated to give a most luxurious lather, even if you live in an area like I do where you have hard water. If you'd like to purchase any of my Artisan Body Care products, I will leave a link to my website in the description box. I want to thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Enjoy the rest of this lather test video and have a fantastic day, everyone. I'll see you soon.